Jamie, it's great to see you're finally taking the plunge into online business. How are you finding it so far?
Thanks, Alex. It's been a mixed bag, to be honest. I've seen some great opportunities, but there have been challenges as well.
That's not surprising. Conducting business online is a whole different ballgame. Let's talk about the opportunities first. What have you found most exciting?
Well, the increased reach has been incredible. I've gone from serving a local community to having customers nationwide. It reminds me of how Warby Parker started online and now has a massive presence, disrupting the traditional eyewear industry.
Absolutely. The ability to scale quickly is one of the biggest advantages. Take Amazon, for example. They started as an online bookstore and look at them now, a global e-commerce giant. Have you explored any new markets or customer segments?
Yes, I've been able to tap into niche markets that I never would have reached with just my physical store. It's opened up so many possibilities. But on the flip side, the competition is fierce. It's hard to stand out among so many online businesses.
That's a valid point. The online marketplace is crowded, and getting noticed can be tough. Have you faced any specific challenges with competition?
Definitely. I've had issues with competitors undercutting my prices and even copying my product descriptions. It's frustrating, but I've learned to focus on building a strong brand and offering unique value propositions.
That's a smart approach. Building a loyal customer base through exceptional service and unique offerings can set you apart. Look at companies like Zappos. They built their success on outstanding customer service. What about logistics and supply chain management? Have you encountered any issues there?
I've been looking into it. It seems like a good solution to streamline the process and improve customer satisfaction. But it's an additional cost, so I need to weigh the pros and cons carefully.
It's a balancing act, for sure. Another challenge is cybersecurity. Have you had any issues with data breaches or fraud?
Thankfully, not yet, but I've heard horror stories from other business owners. I've been investing in robust security measures to protect customer data. It's a constant concern, though.
Cybersecurity is crucial. Just look at the Target data breach a few years back. It had a significant impact on their reputation and sales. Investing in security is not just about protecting data, it's about building trust with your customers.
Absolutely. Trust is key in online business. How have you managed to build trust with your customers?
Transparency and communication have been vital. I make sure to respond to customer inquiries promptly, provide detailed product information, and offer easy return policies. Building a strong online presence through social media and customer reviews has also helped.
That makes sense. I've been trying to engage more with my customers through social media and email newsletters. It's a learning curve, but I'm seeing positive results.
It's all about adapting and evolving. The online business landscape is constantly changing, and staying ahead of the curve is essential. Have you explored any new technologies or trends?
I've been looking into AI and chatbots to improve customer service. Companies like Sephora have seen great success with their virtual try-on technology. I think integrating tech can enhance the customer experience. It is. I'm learning so much and seeing new opportunities every day. Thanks for the insights, Alex. It's always helpful to hear from someone who's been in the game for a while.
You're welcome, Jamie. Keep pushing forward, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks. The rewards can be tremendous.